In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a chat flow using HubSpot. By the end of this guide, you'll have a basic understanding of how to navigate through the HubSpot interface and create an effective chat flow for your business. This tutorial is perfect for those looking to enhance customer interaction on their website or optimize their service operations. To begin, make sure you are logged into your HubSpot account. Then navigate to your dashboard. One of the great things about HubSpot is the intuitive layout, but if you're new, it might take a bit of getting used to. The first step in this process is to visit the trial guide by heading over to the Sales Hub Professional. You can usually find this in your trial options if your account setup includes this feature. If you've not accessed it before, just follow the link, which should take you directly there. This guide is your starting point for a range of tools that will support your customer engagement strategies. Next, you want to click on the Service tab. This is your gateway to customer relationship tools and functionalities. Under the Service tab, you'll find features dedicated to managing customer service interactions, making it an essential hub for setting up your communication processes. From support tickets to insights, everything is centralized here, paving the way for streamlined customer service operations. Moving forward, locate and click on Chat Flows. This section is where the magic happens, as it provides tools to automate and manage conversational interactions on your website. Chat flows are crucial because they allow you to engage with visitors in real time, boost customer satisfaction, and ultimately drive conversions. Chat flows can handle inquiries, provide the instant responses, and even triage service requests, ensuring that your team can focus on more complex tasks. After accessing the Chat Flow section, you'll now need to click on Create Chat Flow. This is located within the interface, and it's an easy-to-use feature designed to help you tailor interactions that suit your business needs. Whether you want a simple welcome message or a more complex lead generation chatbot, this functionality gives you flexibility. As you begin this process, you'll be guided on the options available, such as selecting the type of chat, configuring automated messages, and deciding where on your site the chat will appear. Remember, each step you take in setting up a chat flow is aimed at making your visitors' experience as smooth and engaging as possible. Leveraging these tools effectively lets you stay responsive to your customers' needs, providing real-time assistance and capturing valuable data for future interactions. Once your chat flow is set up, be sure to test it to ensure it runs smoothly and meets your expectations. With these steps, you're well on your way to boosting your business's customer interaction capabilities with HubSpot. Thank you for following along, and good luck with your chat flow setup.